everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. For today's video, this is for Cancer people. This is a Tagalog reading. This is going to be a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message at the description box below. Okay. Take your time, choose a pile. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And pause the video if you need more time. Tagalog to ha. So, Cancer, if you have chosen number 1. Let's see, for the next 30 days, wala kang gana. Pero things will change. Merong something exciting coming in. Regarding a new project, a new acquired skill na parang finally magagamit mo na. I'm being drawn to the eyes. So maybe this is something na hindi mo tinuloy na aralin or kabisaduhin because you think na walang kwenta. Pero now that people are interested, parang siguro gusto mong balikan. And maybe that's why merong Ace of Wands is not the time yet. So parang nung inaral mo siya at first, siguro you feel like hindi pa relevant ngayon, wala pang interested, hindi pa siya common na knowledge, ganyan. So it wasn't the right time. Pero ngayon baka magbago yung isip mo and you're going to refamiliarize yourself with this goal, with this project. Kasi marami nang interested. A lot of eyes are looking at you. Now, what do you need to do about this? 7 of Pentacles reverse. Try to observe pa if this is something na you actually want to pursue. Kasi baka nape-pressure ka lang ni Emperor reverse na parang, di ba pinag-aralan mo to? Marami nang interested. So parang push mo na. Pero you really need to assess if interested ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon. Kesa matenga ka sa isang situation na pinush ka ni Emperor reverse kahit na hindi na yun yung passion mo. Okay? And if you're going to do that, mas makakapag-focus ka sa wish fulfillment mo. If you're still interested sa project na to, then maybe you can manifest more out of it. If you're no longer interested, napupush ka lang ni Emperor reverse, pag inassess mo ng maayos yung feelings mo towards this goal, parang you can actually be honest to yourself and tell yourself na iba na lang yung ipapursue mo. So, yun. Okay? So, that's for you, number 1. Let's proceed, kay number 2. If you have chosen the red bracelet, for the next 30 days, you may feel frustrated. Maybe gusto mong gumala, pero walang gusto sumama sa'yo. Naiinis ka na, parang kating-kati ka ng pumunta somewhere or to attend something kasi gathering din ng wands. Or maybe you have received an invitation from someone na nakauwi from malayo. Or maybe meron kang pasalubong from someone na galing abroad. Gusto mong puntahan, gusto mong kunin, pero no one's going with you. Tapos nahihiya ka rin pumunta na ikaw lang mag-isa. Now, what do you need to focus on is the Knight of Swords reversed and Queen of Cups reversed. I'm seeing people discouraging you from going there. Kasi ayaw nila na may connection ka kay Page of Wands. So, pwedeng ayaw ka nilang samahan kasi ikaw lang yung may pasalubong, sila wala. O pwedeng ayaw ka nilang samahan kasi or dinidiscourage ka nila na bumisita doon. Maybe kasi merong possible na mali-maling kwento na pag pumunta ka doon, malalaman mo. So, kung ako sa'yo, mas maganda, puntahan mo na lang. Kahit ikaw na lang mag-isa, as long as safe ka, alam mo naman yung pupuntahan mo. And if you're going to do that, yun, may death card. May matatransform sa situation mo. Either itong dalawang sinungaling na to, malalaman mo kung bakit ayaw ka nilang pumunta doon. Or, marireveal sa'yo kung gaano katindi yung inggit nitong dalawa. And maybe you will need to disconnect from these two envious people. Okay? So that's for you, number 2. Let's proceed naman kay number 3. Now, kay number 3, For the next 30 days, the World card reversed, Six of Pentacles. You will need help to finish something or to complete something, accomplish something. Pero parang mas gugustuhin mong mag-strategize na matapos to nang hindi humihingi ng tulong. So parang you're torn between asking for assistance or just managing everything on your own. Now, what do you need to do about this? Kung pagod ka na, humingi ka ng assistance. Pero if this is something na sisiw lang sa'yo, parang mas maganda pa rin na, tawag nito, ihingi mo ng advice kung okay lang ba yung strategy mo. Kesa in-assess mo on your own, tapos meron palang mas expert sa'yo na pwedeng mag-contribute ng magandang gawin about this specific project. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, merong isinadjust sa'yo dati pa si King of Wands na maybe you think it's no longer needed, maybe you think na kaya mo na on your own, or maybe you think it's not applicable sa situation. Pero if you're going to look at it on the if you're going to take a second glimpse sa situation, parang makaklarify mo na tama si King of Wands. So buti na lang magtanong ka. Okay? So just like what they said, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Okay? That's for you, Cancer. For paid personal readings, check the description box below. Nandun yung details ko, and yeah, send me a private message.